Today, I want to talk about how to do edge finishing. There are many ways. Among them, I would like to introduce you to 4 ways. 2 are natural, and the rest of the 2 are color coding. First, using Tokonole. This is the most commonly used way when people finish the edge. Well, this is Tokonole, and I'm gonna use wood slicker and some fabric. You apply Tokonole evenly and let it permeate for some time. And rub the surface with wood slicker and fabric. Do it gently with proper pressure. Make the surface of the edge even. The more even you make, the easier your job will be. You don't get pretty glossy edge at only one time. Apply, rub, grind over times. The more you repeat this, the more you get a wonderful job. Second, using Hunori. This is Hunori, some sort of seaweed. This is somewhat bothersome because you have to boil it with water. Then let's take a quick look at how to make natural Hunori. Boil some water, put Hunori in it, boil them until it has a viscosity like a glue. Do you see the viscosity here? Instruction is the same as the first one. Even surface, apply evenly, let it permeate. Rub it. Sanding it. As I said, repeat this process until you get the result. Let's compare those two. Well, almost same for me, but I think Hunori is a little bit glossier. Well, I think. Third, edge coating. There are many brands. I usually use Furnish because it has much color. First, using a small piece of sponge, paint the surface. And rub it with a gimlet. And then let it dry. Apply Furnish a little bit thick. Let it dry. Grind it with a sandpaper. Repeat this process until you get the result. using dyeing agent. Apply dyeing agent so that it permeates thoroughly. Let it dry. Grind it. Repeat this process until you get the color you want. Once you get it, apply Tokonole for finishing. Very simple. Okay then, let's compare those two. I think using a dyeing agent is more stable and natural because the color actually permeates into the leather. On the other hand, using the edge coating is just covering the surface of the leather. Of course, you can get a relatively stable coating if you get it done right, but it takes more effort and skill. The last thing I want to talk about is the very last process. You can apply this to every full method, covering the edge with wax for more protection. Apply wax all over the edge. Melt it with proper heat. Not too hot, not too cold. I do it with the temperature that I can barely hold onto it, and rub it with the fabric. This process gives the leather more gloss and protection. Thank you for watching.